I will write solution. Okay. Now, you know from our previous classes in geometric progression that the nth time of a geometric sequence is given by Tn by my description equals to ar raised power n minus 1, where a is the first term. The common ratio is the ratio of this and this. I used to say that the common ratio, I say here, of course, a here is a plus 1, and then, all right, and then r being the common ratio, I used to say it is letter divided by former. So what we have here is 2k minus 1 all over a plus 1. I call this equation 1. Okay, you know, I'm not, let it not be I'm too fast. I keep on telling my students that in any mathematical problem, what you try to do is you look for an access point to that mathematical problem. All right, if you look at this question, you realize that the first term common ratio, they are not even known, but there can be an access point, because if I have this as my equation 1, this over this, which is consistent, which is across, you can also have it from this over this. Okay, so I can also say the same ratio is 3k 3k plus 1, okay, all over this 2k minus 1. I can call this equation 2. There's something very simple thing logic I normally use to make an explanation to be very, very simplified before my students. I used to say that if you have that 10 is equals to 5 plus 5, and that same 10 is equals to 4 plus 6, that it is logically right to say that 5 plus 5 is equals to 4 plus 6. There's no argument about it. So it's very, very logically correct to say so. So you can see here, r is this and r is this. So it's logically correct to say this is equals to this. That's my argument there. So I can say, since, assuming this is a jump question anyway, you don't need to, what they need is your accuracy in the result. But assuming this is a theory question that you need to show all the working, you can say since r is common in both equations, equate them. So I can say 2k minus 1 over k plus 1 is equals to 3k plus 1 over k 2k minus 1. So we are here now in simplification of algebraic fractions. And in a matter like this, you cross multiply. Okay, so we are going to be having k plus 1 in bracket 3k plus 1 equals to 2k minus 1 into 2k minus 1. Okay, it implies that this is a perfect square. That's the implication there. Okay, but we just have to open the brackets and collect the like terms, and then we can now be able to solve that. Had it been that we have something that is common here, we can cancel out in both sides. So this and this will give me 3k squared. This and this will give me plus k. Then 1 times this will give me plus 3k. Then 1 times this will give me plus 1. Take it again. This, yes. This. Okay. Equals to this into this is 4k squared. This into this minus 2k. then this into this minus 2k, then this into this plus 1. Okay, we collect the like terms, and we are going to have, let this come over here, and of course, let me do it quickly. This is 3k squared. This and this will give me plus 4k plus 1 equals to 4k squared. Minus this is minus 4k. Minus 2 will give me minus 4k. And then we'll bring down plus 1. All right. So I can transfer this over here and transfer this over here. I will have, bring down this 4k. This will be plus 4k. And then this will go over here. Over here, I will have 4k squared minus 3k squared. Then I will have plus 1 minus 1, which will go. This is 8k equals to, this is k squared. Okay, this has gone. So, do you realize that at this level, I can say divide both sides by k, so that I can now have this reduced to 8k over k equals to k squared over k, so that I will now have here 8 is equals to k. Do we get that? So 8 is equals to k, because this will cancel this, and this is k times k, so this will cancel 1, remaining 1. So have 8, that k is equals to 8. Now, can we go back to equation, either equation 1 or 2, to get, so if k is 8, what is the first time from here? Even. So it then means that if k is equals to 8, it then means a is equals to 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1. That will give us 9. And then, but that is not what they ask. So they say find two possible values of the common ratio. So the common ratio R, which is equals to, from equation 1, 2k minus 1 all over k plus 1, which is 2k minus 1 all over k plus 1, will become that R, the common ratio, is equals to 2 in bracket 8 minus 1 all over 8 plus 1. So the common ratio is 16 minus 1, which is 17. 16, yeah, minus 1. 16 minus 1. No. 16 minus 1 is 15. All over 9. All over 9. So R is equals to 3 here, 5, and 3 here is 3. So the common ratio is 5 over 3. 5 over 3. The common ratio is 5 over 3. Find the possible values of the common ratio. Let me check here if it is still going to give me the same thing. 3 times from this second equation. Let me check if it is going to be the same thing. 3 times 8, comma, 3 in bracket 8 plus 1 all over 2 in bracket 8 minus 1. This one will be 3 times 8 is 24 plus 1, 25. So R is 25 over 2 times 8 is 16 minus 1. That's 15. 15. 5 into here is 5. 5 into here is 3. Oh, that's good. It gave us the same value. So this is a question I got. Please look at it again. I got this question from Jamb question. Okay. So these topics I have rounded up. What I'll be doing is that I'll be, looking for questions from VIC and from Jamb in line with this topic I have discussed. We have been able to be so grounded in digesting the topics, because my concern is not to come here and do a demonstration or entertain you. It's not an entertainment. So I have to teach it first before doing problems like this. So please go back and look at those classes so that you can follow whatever we have done here. There are some explanation I jumped here. If you go back to those classes, you get the detail that will help you to capture whatever we have done here. So I'm sure this is well explained. We'll keep on bringing more problems and more problems. Please, all you have to do, it anything, doesn't take anything at all. Just click on that, you know, subscription button there. Just click on it, and then you see also notification button. Just click on it. Okay, you're not paying to do that. It's just something, just touch it. Okay, and then what is the essence? Anytime we make an upload, you'll be notified that, oh, there is an upload of this in this topic. You will watch it. Okay, and then please also like our video and share it to your friends out there so that you can encourage us as we are working towards building you. You also encourage us to grow. Is it not good? It's good now. Thank you so much for being there. God bless you.